Okay, hey, this is Mallory. 7:30 in the morning right now, and I'm in my dorm, and we had a fire alarm go off, and of course that's the only reason I'm even alive right now. Not literally, of course. I just really wish I was still asleep. Um, I'm one of those people that, once you wake up and do something, I really can't go back to sleep. So, even though I'm really tired, like I can't go to sleep. It's hard. And so right now I am watching Back to the Future because it's awesome. And that red thing right there is flashing like a mother and freaking screaming at me. And so I had to get up and walk outside with about 100 other people, and it sucked. I was sitting outside on the sidewalk, and freaking mosquitoes were tearing me up, dude. Like, psycho. Man. Not a whole lot happens at 7 o'clock in the morning. I will say that. A lot of people looked mega pissed off. Like, this one guy had, like, drool, like, just coming down on the side of his face, and I'm like, whoa. That is too much. Your friends aren't even going to tell you, dude. Do you realize that? Yeah. But, anyways, just sitting here bored. Bored. Anyways, well, I guess I'll get out of here. Check y'all later.